A working Google form takes about 2 minutes. Let's build one. Start with the title. This is the first thing people see at the top of the form. Then the first question. Click the question text and type straight over it. The drop-down on the right is the part that matters. Short answer gives people one line to type in, which is all a name needs. Paragraph is the same thing with room for a longer reply. Switch on required and nobody can submit the form without answering it. You'll see what that looks like in a minute. Add a second question from the toolbar on the right. This one asks people to choose. New questions arrive as multiple choice already, so you just fill in the answers. Type the first one, press enter, and Forms opens the next line for you. No reaching for add option in between. Now publish it. This button used to say send, so if you're following an older tutorial and can't find send anywhere, this is where it went. Publishing gives you a responder link. That's the address you actually send out. Let's open it in a fresh window, signed out of the account, so we see exactly what lands in front of the people you're sending it to. Clean, with no sign of the editor, and that little star next to the name question is the required switch. That one can't be skipped. So, a name and a lunch pick. Then submit. This is the part that proves the whole thing works. Your response has been recorded. That answer is already waiting for you back in the form, under the Responses tab. That's a live form anyone can fill in, built, published, and tested in one go.